Mars sample return, the greatest interplanetary heist ever attempted. For the first time in history, humanity is staging a cosmic jailbreak, breaking rocks out of Mars. NASA and ESA's Mars Sample Return, MSR, mission isn't just another rover or orbiter. It's a multi-stage, interplanetary extraction operation, years in the making, with one audacious goal: stealing a piece of another world and bringing it home. The plan, so far. The Collector, the Perseverance rover, has already begun its work as a Martian rock burglar, drilling, sealing, and dropping sample tubes across Jezero crater like breadcrumbs for a future thief. The Getaway Driver, a yet-to-launch sample retrieval lander, will touch down, deploy a rover to gather Perseverance's cache, and load them into a mini-rocket, the Mars Ascent Vehicle. The Escape, that rocket will blast off from Mars, the first launch from another planet, and rendezvous with an ESA orbiter waiting in space. The Delivery. The orbiter will slingshot the samples toward Earth, where they'll crash land, safely, in the Utah desert by the early 2030s, maybe. The obstacles, budgets, delays, and the private sector wild card. The mission is over budget and behind schedule, with costs ballooning past $11 billion and timelines slipping toward the late 2030s. Critics argue it's too complex, supporters say it's the only way to answer, was there ever life on Mars, with certainty. Now, NASA is considering a game-changing pivot, outsourcing parts of the mission to private companies. SpaceX's Starship could theoretically land, collect, and return samples in one swoop, rewriting the playbook entirely. Why it matters? If successful, MSR won't just be a scientific triumph, it'll be a dress rehearsal for human missions. The techniques used to retrieve these samples could one day bring back astronauts. And the rocks themselves? They might hold fossils of ancient Martian microbes, or clues to how Earth got its start. Risks? Plenty. Stakes? Higher than Olympus Mons. One way or another, we're looting Mars.